Hello everyone, in this video I will solve question number 10 because in the last video question 1 to these all are questions and question 9 I have solved in the last video, and now I am going to solve question number 10. This is the remaining questions. Let's start question number 10. If functions of 1 upon 2014 whole power n is cos of 2015 whole power n multiplied by 2015 whole power minus n plus n square plus 1 upon n square minus n plus 5, and this function continuous at x equals to 0, then value of this f0 what will be? Let's start solutions of this question. Carefully observe in this questions. f0, this will be when 0, when n tends to infinity. When here not n equals to put infinity, here n tending value is infinity, that is n tends to infinity. Okay, so if you put n tends to infinity, then this will be infinity, that is 1 upon infinity, that is this will value is 0, because n tends to infinity. When n tends to infinity, that is the 2014 whole power infinity, that is this will be infinity, that is 1 upon infinity, that is this will be 0. So when f0 will be the limiting value, and f0 will be is the limiting value. Okay, so limit of fx, because limit of fx when x tends to a, this is the limiting value when x tends to a, and limiting value is fa. So fa is the limiting value when x tends to a by fx. Okay, carefully observe this. So here when n tends to infinity, then take n tends to infinity, then this will be f0, that is fa when x tends to a, that is limit of fa, that is fa is the limiting value of this function when x tends to a. So when n tends to infinity, limiting value is f0, this will be f of 1 upon 2014 whole power n, and this will be limit of n tends to infinity, and this function is cos of 2015 whole power n multiplied by 2015 minus n, that is this will be in the denominator. Okay, and plus n square plus n plus 1 upon n square minus n plus 5. Now when n tends to infinity, this value is, when n tends to infinity, this is also infinity. So cos of infinity is minus 1 to 1 any value upon 2015 whole power infinity, that is infinity, plus, and this will be maximum power of n square is 1 and n square is 1. So this limit is also 1 plus 0 plus 0 and 1 minus 0 plus 0. So this will be minus 1 to 1, that is any something value. So any something value upon infinity is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So value of this f0 will be 1. Okay, so value of f0 is 1. So this is the correct option. So if you like this video and this question, please subscribe this channel if you not subscribed up to that this channel, and for new subscribers I request you please subscribe this channels and also click on the bell icon to get the more upcoming important videos which are very helpful for your coming exam and different type of joint entrance exam, and having more questions and solutions. So keep watch my next videos coming soon for remaining solutions of the questions. Keep watching my next video. Stay tuned with this channel. Have a good day.